In the blue corner, from Winfield Middle School, we got Overload. And in the red corner, from Placer Advanced Robotics and Technology, we got Washing Machine. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Don't slow down, Swain. Do you just practice your flips? Practice your flips. Do a flip. Just kidding, don't do a flip. Okay.
Stop the match.
All right, Overload, moving second winner, Washing Machine.